ECA has 3 public affairs priorities. These were chosen by members and they form ECA's strategic agenda until 2027. These are skills for the future, business resilience, and a safe transition to net zero. We've made considerable progress already, and here are a few of our examples. ECA members are key players in the shift to electrification, as seen in ECA's industry-wide Blueprint for Electrification report. ECA's call for all new homes to be net carbon ready is reflected in the Future Home Standard. And ECA has successfully advocated for simpler, more consistent regulation across all low-carbon installations. Our long-standing call to rebalance electricity levies or taxes is also beginning to succeed, with industrial electricity prices set to fall in 2027 for the foundational industries. ECA has secured a stronger voice in government, with civil servants and with other decision makers, through structured and regular engagement. Construction is now recognised as a foundational industry, bringing reduced energy costs. Electrification is officially acknowledged as the fastest path to net zero, bringing more opportunities for members. We have much more to do, but ECA will continue to be at the forefront, advocating for our members and for our industry. You can find out more by visiting ECA's website and going to the Taking Action pages.